the unperfect moment. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 249 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and today it's Saturday, and as we started a few weeks back, it's the weekend drop. A shorter reflection, just a few minutes to leave you with something simple but powerful to carry you into the weekend. Today's thought is all about waiting and why chasing the perfect moment often robs us of the joy we're trying to create. Before we start, as usual, if you end up liking this episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot for me. They're just one click, but they really, really make the difference. Thank you very much for considering it. So, if you have followed the previous episodes, you might already know, but in case you didn't, for this weekend, Hollow Knight Silksong finally released after years of waiting, and I've been hyped for this game for so long. And I told myself, no, I won't just sneak in a few minutes on release day, also because I was away. I had a few minutes on Friday here and there, but I said no, I want to take the day to enjoy it. I'll wait until the weekend. I'll set aside the right time, create the right space, so that when I play it, the moment will feel special. But here's the funny thing. By the time the weekend came, I almost felt tired of waiting. I'd built the whole thing up so much in my head that the excitement started to fade. I realized I wasn't chasing the game anymore. I was chasing some imagery perfect moment that didn't even exist. And that's how it goes with life too. We hold off starting projects, conversations, adventures, because we think, I'll do it when the timing is perfect. When I have more money, when I feel more ready, when conditions line up just right. But the truth is, the longer you wait, the heavier the moment becomes. What I discovered is this. The best moments aren't perfect. They're just lived. They happen when you step into them without overthinking, without staging them. The imperfection is what makes them real, what makes them yours. Think about your last great memory. Chances are it wasn't perfectly planned. It was messy, it was unprepared, but it felt right because you were fully present. That's the magic we often miss while waiting for someday. So, here's my challenge for you today. Don't wait. Pick one thing you've been delaying for the perfect time and just do it today, even if I'm perfect, because later might never come, but right now is always here. To close, remember, this whole podcast just started a few hours before I drafted my first episode. I was on a plane, I decided I wanted to do this, and I went with it. And here we are, almost 1 year later of consecutive podcasts, just like that. This was today's weekend drop, short, simple, but I hope it sticks. If you liked today's episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot for me. And, as usual, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I'll see you tomorrow.